Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE, and right now we got G-Idle wife. G-Idle, the iconic G-Idle, has been doing they thing. Have y'all seen the teaser pictures from this? My God, my jaw dropped and everything. Me and my girlfriend be like, peep the new hair, you already see it. It's real, not a wig at all. Don't ask in the comments at all. Stiff wear. I look like He-Man, but you know, like that He-Man meme. Before we start, be sure to check out my second channel, Dre Day.
He got an next to that joint is old school.
Link in the description. Go follow the Discord, the link in the description, where everybody's out there. We hanging out. We talk about anime, K-pop, K-dramas, all the tea. Discord, link in the description. Without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh, okay, cartwheel. Ooh, I like the bubbly text. Coco Loco. Wait. Okay, they got that little white shoes on. Okay, we pop it off. Okay. Oh, outfit change though. Yes. Such a like pretty simple beat too, but it's just effective as well. Oh, the wigs change too. The hair changes. Ooh, the editing on this is pretty fire. Okay. Hey. Get it. Oh, the raps. Ooh. Hey. So twinkle. It's so twinkle. Okay. Ah. Damn, this thing got me wanting to twerk too. Oh, get it. Hey, where we going with it? Ba. Ooh. Oh, this is way too short, bro. But really iconic. They served in this one. Yes, ma'am. That's their down. Ooh, I can't wait for the second album. All right. Repeat. That was too short. 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Come on, guys. We need more. That's a good thing. I like the little, or like, you know, like this part right here. And the text. I do like the text too. Wife.
Hello. I cook cream soup. Taste is Coco Loco. Want me your wife, but shit is.
She said it's Coco Loco, right?
Cream soup. Taste is Coco Loco. Want me your wife.
The wigs are wigging.
It's so twinkle. Want me your wife, but shit is.
Damn, so young. They all killing though. Girl. Ooh. Oh my God, they're coming to LA to perform too at that crazy concert. I have to go. If they can perform this too, oh bro, that's a dope edit. That's cool. Ooh. Yo, they really snapped on these raps though. Yes, ma'am. I like that style, like that hint of green. That's like mint green, almost. Ooh, dope edit. That's low-key like Dougie, no? This looks really fun to dance to. I can see like all my friends that do dance covers. This would be fire, especially on the wigs too. Wife. I like that the title's called Wife too. Ooh, Bro, I need to find a wig like this. Ooh. Oof. Alright, put in the comments down below what you guys think of Wife. I think it's a really fun song, to be honest. Like, I feel like Jada always comes up with some interesting concepts. They also have the message in it too, which is fire. Again, put in the comments down below what you guys think of I-DLE's Wife official music video. What do you think about the music video? What do you think about the choreo? Do you think it's a fun song? Is it for you? Is it not for you? You tell me in the comments down below. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Go subscribe to my Dre Day channel where I post like all my Twitch stuff over there. I'll probably post more over there for my Twitch. Again, I do Twitch almost every day. Yeah, follow the Discord. Link in the description. Also, most importantly, link to the music video down below. Go check it out. Go support the girl. Till next time, everybody. It's your boy, JRE. Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.